our channel. I am Dr. Amni Kumar, and today we are going to cover some important topics from GRF syllabus from Unit 2, Paper 1. These questions, these specifications help to how to write a review paper, a comprehensive guide. First of all, choose a topic. Writing a review paper involves a systematic process of collecting, analysis, and synthesizing information on a particular topic. Here is a step-by-step guide. Choose a topic, current interest, subject, pick a subject, topic that is actively being researched and discussed in your field. Relevance, ensure the topic is relevant to your area of study and adds value of existing research. Scope, the topic should be neither too broad nor too narrow. A well-defined scope allows for a focused review. Second, conduct a literature search. Use database like PubMed, Google Scholar, IEEE Scholar, etc. Collect relevant articles, books, and conferences paper. Organizing your reference using a citation manager like EndNote, Mendeley, or Jetro. Conduct a literature search. Databases utilize academic databases such as PubMed, Google Scholar, IEEE Explorer, JustStore, and others. Keyword. Use relevant keyword to boolean operators and or not to refine your search. Snowballing. Click the references of relevance paper to find more sources. Organize, use citation management tool like EndNote, Mendeley, or Jetro to keep track of your references. Evaluate the literature. Quality assess the credibility of the source. Peer review journals and articles are generally reliable. Methodology. Evaluate the research method used in the study. Are they appropriate and rigorous? Finding focus on the result and conclusion of the study. Are they consistent, contradictory, or inconclusive? Develop a thesis or research question. Central question. Your review should answer a specific research question or support a thesis statement. Focus. This helps in maintaining the direction and coherence of your review. Creating an outline. Introduction, literature review, analysis, conclusion. Introduction describe the topic, its significance, and the objectives of your review. Literature review summarize the existing research, categorized by themes, methodologies, or chronologically. Analysis critically analyze the literature, nothing patterns, gap, and inconsistencies. Conclusion. Summarize your finding and suggest future research. Write the introduction. Context, importance, objective, thesis. Context. Provide background information to contexture your review. Importance. Plan why this topic is important and worth reviewing. Objective. Clearly state what your review aims to achieve. This is present your central research question for on thesis. Write the literature review section. organized by themes, summary and synthesis. Critical analysis, organization, use subheading to organize the literature review by themes, methodologies, or time period. Summary and synthesis, summarize the key findings of each study and synthesize the information to show overall trends. Critical analysis, evaluate the strength and weakness of the study. Write the analysis section. Compare and contrast implication, gap and inconsistency. Compare and contrast. Discuss the similarity and difference between the study implication. Explain the significance of the finding in the context of your research question. Gap and inconsistencies. Hide area where research is lacking or results are write the conclusion, summary, significance, future research. Summary, recap the main findings of your review. Significance, retrieve the importance of the topic and your review contribution. Future research, suggest potential area for future study based on the gap idea. Edit and proofreading, clarity and coherence. Ensure your writing is clear and logically structured. Each paragraph should flow smoothly into the text. Consistency. Maintain consistency in terminology, style, and formatting throughout the paper. Grammar and spelling. Check for grammatical error and typos. Tool like Grammarly can be helpful. Peer review. Have a college or mentor review your peer for feedback and such. Prepare the references. Citation style. Follow the specific citation style required by your target journal or institution. Example APA MLA Chicago. Comprehensive, include all sources cited in your paper. Accuracy. Double check each reference for accuracy in details like author name, title, and publication. Additional tips: be objective, unbiased view, present an important review of literature, acknowledging with both supporting and contradicting study, balance coverage. Ensure you cover a wide range of perspectives within the literature. Be critical. Critical thinking analyze the strength and weakness of each study, not just summarize them. Question assumption. Challenge the assumption and conclusion of the study where appropriate. Be comprehensive. Be comprehensive. Exhaust search. Conduct a throughout literature search for include all relevant study. Board perspective. Include a study from different methodology, region, and perspective to provide a holistic review or holistic view. To clear language. Plain language about avoid jargon and complex sentences. Clear, write in a clear, concise, and accessible manner. Explanation of terms. Define any technical terms or acronyms when they first appear. Example structure: first title page, second abstract, third introduction, fourth methodology, fifth literature review, sixth analysis, Seventh, conclusion. Eighth, references. Title page. Title of the review paper. Author name and affiliation. Contact information. Abstract. A brief summary of review including the main object, method, key finding and conclusion. Typically around 150 to 250. It depends upon the journal. Background information of the introduction. Background information of the topic. Importance of the review. Objective and scope of the review. Thesis or research question. Methodology, if applicable. Desirable in the process of literature search and section criteria. Explain how a study were evaluated and synthesized. Literature review, organized by theme, methodology, and chronology. Summarize key findings for each study. Provide a critical analysis of the literature. Analysis. Compare and contrast the study. Discuss the implication of the finding. Highlight gaps and inconsistencies. Example structure, conclusion, recap the main finding of review, reiterate the significance of the topic, suggest area for future research, reference a list of all resources cited in the review formatted according to the citation style. Example of introduction section in detail. Introduction background provide a context for the review. For example, if reviewing the impact of the cybersecurity means on data breach, start by explaining the rise in data breach and the importance of cybersecurity. Significance. Explain why this topic is significant. For example, discuss the financial and reputational impact of data breaches on organization. Objective. Clarity. State what your review aims to achieve. For example, this review aims to assess the effectiveness of various cybersecurity measures in the preventing data breaches. Thesis or research question. Present your central research question or thesis statement. For example, this review addressed the question, what are the most effective cybersecurity measures for preventing data breaches? Thank you for your questions. Feel free to leave them the comment. Good luck for your review paper. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to have them in comments. Subscribe for more content and for quiz and forensic science content.